When we look at Earth from space, we see three dominant colors: the deep blue of the oceans, the bright white of the clouds, and the rich green of plant life. That green comes from chlorophyll, the pigment plants use to capture sunlight for photosynthesis. But here's a twist: not all life on Earth is green. Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of NASA Space Notes. I'm NASA Solar System Ambassador Pat Monteith. In some dark, oxygen-poor environments, like deep sea vents, certain bacteria reflect purple instead of green. Why? Because they've adapted to absorb different wavelengths of light, especially infrared. Now imagine a planet orbiting a dim red star, the kind of star that emits more infrared than visible light. Could life there evolve to reflect purple instead of green? The idea of purple alien life comes from the concept of alternative biochemistries. Life on Earth is based on carbon chemistry, but on other worlds with different atmospheres that might be rich in ammonia, methane, or sulfur compounds, alien organisms might develop pigments to absorb or reflect different parts of the light spectrum. A sulfur-rich atmosphere, for example, might favor organisms with purple or even black pigments to handle the available radiation. And it's not just about color. Alien life could have entirely different ways of gathering energy and protecting itself from harsh environments. That's why astrobiologists are casting a wide net in the search for extraterrestrial life. Instead of looking only for oxygen and water, they're hunting for biosignatures or chemical traces in a planet's atmosphere that could hint at biological activity. Methane, for instance, is produced by microbes here on Earth, so finding it alongside other gases could suggest alien life, even if it looks nothing like life on Earth. But here's the challenge: what if alien life is so different that we don't even recognize it when we see it? That's why scientists are working to create a database of possible biosignatures, not just for green life, but for purple, red, black, maybe even colors we can't see. Because if life exists out there, we want to be ready, no matter what it looks like. I'm NASA Solar System Ambassador Pat Monteith.